Welcome to one and all. We started with the chapter data structure and we completed all the topics and board questions of data structure. Okay, we completed stack and queue, tree, linked list, array, pointer array, records, and all the definitions. Okay, which are asked in board. So let's see board questions and tree diagrams. Okay, which are important for your board in this session. Let's start. First of all, we will do 3 marks board questions. Okay. In case of data structure, explain the following terms. So the terms are linear array, linked list, and tree. Okay. These are important terms which you have to define it. Next, what is binary tree? Explain terminology describing family relationship between the elements of binary tree with suitable example. Here you have to define all the things, that is node, leaf, siblings, parents, child, okay, root node, everything you have to define here. Write a bubble sort algorithm with suitable example. Okay, here you have to give bubble sort algorithm steps and a suitable example. Okay, you can take sorting of 5 numbers, 6 numbers as per your wish. Write an algorithm for inserting an element into a linear array. Okay, ये भी आपको दिया है, 4th और 5th क्लास में ही दिया है. You can go through. All these contents are given already to you. Okay, so here just you have to write algorithm. Next one is explain stack and queue type data structures with suitable example. Here you have to write the theory of stack and queue, which I have given in my video. With suitable example means you have to write one example for each. Next one is explain linear search algorithm with a suitable example. Here you have to write algorithm for linear search and one example or one compilation. Okay, you have to show that कि लीनियर सर्च एल्गोरिथम कैसे रन होता है. नेक्स्ट, विथ सुटेबल एग्जाम्पल एंड डायग्राम शो अ लिंक्ड लिस्ट विथ इंफॉर्मेशन एलिमेंट्स एंड लिंक्ड फील्ड फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू नल पॉइंटर. मीन्स व्हाट, लिंक लिस्ट आपको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है. इसमें स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कितने नोड हैं, सो मिनिमम यू कैन टेक 5 और 6. ओके, सो वो बोल रहा है कि स्टार्ट टू नल पॉइंटर तक, जहाँ से लिंक लिस्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा है और जहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है वहाँ से वहाँ तक आपको एक सुटेबल एग्जाम्पल लेके एक लिंक लिस्ट ड्रॉ करना है और आपको हर एक टर्म्स को बताना है वो क्या है. ओके, सो हियर यू हैव टू शो दैट वेयर इज लिंक, वेयर इज फील्ड, where is null pointer, where is your start point. Okay, everything you have to show. Next one, what is record, how it differs from a linear array. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको बताना है record क्या है. heterogeneous characters को store करता है and linear array will store homogeneous character in sequential manner. So ये सब points आपको theory में दिया हुआ है, you can go through these points. Explain in brief any 6 data structure operations. Okay, so you have studied like traversing, inserting, deleting, merging, sorting and searching. So here you have to write the theory for those 6 operations in data structure. Next one, explain in brief any 3 advantages of linked list over array. Okay, here you have to write the thing that linked list में क्या होता है, आप कहीं पे भी डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हो. इट शुड नॉट बी सिक्वेंशियल. ओके, सिक्वेंशियल है तो भी चलेगा, नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, बट एरे में क्या है, इट शुड बी सिक्वेंशियल ओनली. ओके, तो लिंक लिस्ट में क्या है कि कहीं भी अगर मेमोरी में स्पेस है, सो वी कैन गिव लिंक एंड वी कैन स्टोर डेटा. इन सच काइंड ऑफ वे you have to write the properties of linked list. Next, explain with flowcharts of the following control structures. So this is already given to you: sequential logic, selection logic and iteration logic. Okay, in selection you are having single selection and double selection. You can explain both with flowchart. Here it is mentioned that you have to draw flowchart. Okay. Next one, define the terms field, record, file. Okay, ये टर्म्स को डिफाइन करना है. कौन से टर्म्स है, फील्ड, रिकॉर्ड और फाइल को आपको डिफाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज शो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 5 records with 3 fields in memory as a collection of parallel array. तो आपको 5 रिकॉर्ड्स बताने हैं, उसमें 3 फील्ड यूज करना है. मीन्स एट्रीब्यूट, इट शुड बी नेम, एड्रेस, डेट ऑफ बर्थ. ओके. एंड कलेक्शन मेमोरी एज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पैरेलल एरेज. तो पैरेलल एरे के वे में ये मैंने आपको बताया है कि दैट हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट रिकॉर्ड इन मेमोरी. बस आप वो देखो और आपको वहाँ पे बस 5 रिकॉर्ड बताने. मैंने 3 रिकॉर्ड के लिए दिया है, वहाँ पे आपको 5 रिकॉर्ड बताने हैं. Explain briefly the 6 operations that can be carried out on a linear array. Same, you have to explain traversing, inserting, deleting, searching, sorting and merging. Okay. Explain the following data structure with suitable example, that is linear array, linked list and tree. तो यहाँ पे आपको डायग्राम भी हर एक का बनाना है एंड रिप्रेजेंट करना है और बताना है कि which is non linear data structure, which one is linear and how it is used. आपको वो सब बताना है. What is linked list? So show representation of linked list having nodes in a memory. Okay, so here you can represent 5 node का भी चलेगा, 6 node के लिए भी चलेगा, because here number is not mentioned. Okay. What is linked list? Show a linked list with a suitable example having 6 node with a properly labeled diagram. So here it is mentioned that you have to explain linked list with 6 node with properly labeled, means you have to mention that where is info, where is link, where is node. Okay, everything you have to mention. Then only you will get 3 marks. Okay. So the next one is explain the following data structure with suitable example. Here you have to explain about linear array, pointer array and tree. Okay, this will give you 3 marks and you have to write example and diagram both. Okay. With a suitable example, show label diagram for link between 2 node having the information part and next pointer field. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, एक एग्जाम्पल लेके सिर्फ 2 नोड बोला है उसने, मिनिमम 2 नोड. आपको उसमें इन्फो कहाँ है और लिंक कहाँ पे जा रहा है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर कहाँ पे है, वो आपको बताना है. What is traversing an array? Write an algorithm for traversing a linear array. तो traversing an array will give you 1 mark and write an algorithm for traversing a linear array will give you 2 marks. I have given you 2 methods to write the algorithm. You can follow any one of the method and you will get complete 2 marks. What is data structure? Write any 4 operations that can be performed on data structure. So data structure क्या है, this will give you 1 mark. Okay, and write any 4 different operations like traversing, inserting, deleting, searching. This will give you 2 mark. Next, what is data structure? Explain type of data structure. This will give you completely 3 mark. That is 1 mark for data structure, 2 marks for its types, that is linear and non-linear data structure. Next, explain the following terms, that is group item, elementary item and entity. Okay, group item or elementary item and entity, if you will define it, please write or draw, please write the full meaning and draw the diagram also. Okay, by which you can show or represent the content properly. So this is your 3 marks questions. Next one, 4 marks. What is record? Show representation of record in memory by considering suitable example. Okay, so record क्या है ये बताना है. This will give you 1 mark and memory में record को कैसे represent करते हैं ये मैंने बताया है. That will give you 3 mark. Okay, so पहले how to represent the record and how you are inserting 3 record, 4 record, whatever, how much you want to enter, you can enter. Okay, because the number is not mentioned here. Next is what is tree structure? Draw the diagram for given expression. तो मैंने आपको बताया है कि कैसे ट्री डायग्राम बनाना है, ये मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको सिखाया है. You can draw and practice for these many tree diagrams. Okay, these many equations. Explain the term sibling and leaf in case of a tree structure. तो ये दोनों terms आपको define करने हैं and draw the tree diagram for the given expression. तो ये जो expression दिया है इसके लिए आपको tree diagram बनाना है. Okay. Next, what is binary tree? What is binary tree and how it is represented in memory? So binary tree को represent करने के लिए we are having 2 methods, that is sequential method and linked method. Okay, both are very important. Any one will come for 3 mark, and here it is asked for both. That how it is represented in memory, then you have to write about the both the method, that is linked and sequential method. With suitable example and label diagram show representation of binary tree in memory. So इसमें क्या है कि बाइनरी ट्री को मेमोरी में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, वो आपको यहाँ पे एक मेथड कौन सा भी यूज करके बता सकते हो, बिकॉज हियर इट इज नॉट डिक्लेयर्ड और यू हैव टू राइट बोथ द मेथड जैसे भी आपको लगे. ओके, बट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ प्रॉपर ट्री डायग्राम एंड मैपिंग विथ मेमोरी, बोथ you have to show. Next, what is binary tree? Draw the binary tree structure for the following expression. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये expressions मैंने already आपको tree के topic में solve करके दिया है, और जो नहीं दिया है वो मैंने अभी इस वीडियो में आपको वो solve करके दिया है tree diagram. Okay, so practice for these things and please mention level. Okay, level will give you half to 1 mark. Okay. What is binary tree? Show a tree structure for the expression. तो ये सारे जो हैं इसमें आपको binary tree define करने के लिए 1 mark, and वो expression को binary tree में convert करने के लिए you will get 3 mark. Define binary tree. Draw the tree structure for the following algebraic expression. Here also define करने के लिए 1 mark और ये expression को draw करने के लिए 3 marks. What is searching? Explain binary search algorithm. Searching will give you here 1 mark and binary search algorithm will give you 3 mark. Okay, where you have to write step. You can see here it is not mentioned that you have to write with example. So just write the steps. Next, what is binary tree? With a suitable example, show the relationship between total number of nodes and the depth of binary tree. Okay, this is already given to you in my video. तो आपको यहाँ पे binary tree क्या है वो बताना है. Then write down the meaning of node and depth of binary tree and follow this formula and find out the number of nodes. Okay, by this formula you have to find out the number of nodes. Next one is draw the tree diagram which corresponds to the following algebraic expression. तो ये expression के लिए आपको tree diagram बनाना है. So let's see, जितने भी ट्री डायग्राम मैंने नहीं दिए थे आपको पहले से वो मैंने इस वीडियो में दिए हैं, और प्लीज़ मेंशन लेवल लाइक दिस, एक के नीचे एक लिखना है, और डोंट लाइक राइट इन शॉर्टकट दैट इज L0 L1. ओके, राइट कंप्लीट मीनिंग दैट इज लेवल 1 लेवल 0 ऐसे. रूट नोड विल ऑलवेज विथ लेवल 0. ओके, so these are given here. If you want to learn that how to draw binary tree, go to the lecture of binary tree, that is lecture number 13 and 14. Okay, so go through, then only you will come to know that how to draw these binary trees. Okay, these are the binary trees. So please practice these binary trees. By practicing only you will get complete 4 marks. Okay, and the shape, the circle which you will draw it of single size. जो भी draw करोगे एक ही size का draw करना, and draw it with pencil and write the content with pen. Okay, so this will appear really good. Okay, so these are the binary trees equation, and I completed my data structure chapter from my side, and I hope you all will practice these algorithms and tree structures also. And if you are facing any difficulties, please tell me through comment or through email. Okay, and next topic we will start microprocessor 8085 from CS2, and this is very much important topic which will give you 40 to 45 marks from your CS2. Okay, because programming plus theory plus problems all are coming from this chapter. So please complete your the syllabus of CS1 first, and we'll start with CS2 from our next video. Okay, thank you class.